Hi, I'm Alliance. I've put far too much time into this game. After maxing my main, I took up a new challenge. No banks, new methods, and new goals. Follow along as I share the progress of my endgame Ultimate Iron Man. Welcome to Stash Theory. Here we are, sailing release day. It is early, and we are ready to make some gains. There's about half an hour till the update. Guessing there's going to be a few people over here. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's weird to see. 2278 total. One sailing.
The sailing skill is now available. I just had a message pop up.
Oh,
there we go.
My sailing is now one.
Your sailing is now one.
Oh, yes.
So this video is going to showcase my first week with a new skill. There are ups, downs, some scary moments, but overall it's been a really fun week and the community seems a lot happier than expected. Hey, quest is done. Hey, level 10. Yeah, I can get a new boat. Level 16. Level 20. Missed the recording on this one, but that was the current affairs quest done. Level 25. And this long port task brings in level 30, which is the level for the first Barracuda trial. Quick upgrade of the boat and then we'll send it.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, first trial was pretty easy to be honest. Again, somehow lost the recordings for the second and third Barracuda trial, but finished them with relative ease. Here we are checking out the outfit from the first trial. These got dropped pretty quickly once I realised they weren't collection logs. Hey, 45. Taught injured Tortugan. Here we are, starting the Troubled Tortugans quest, the final sailing quest, which took quite an unexpected turn later on. The quest started out pretty normally, just helping the Tortugans fix their town. After helping them fix the town, you travel to a small island called the Little Pearl to help them kill the new Griffin boss. Little did I know, this was an instant and I died to the boss's special attack. The next clip is me sailing back to the island and realising that none of my items are on the floor.
Where is your stuff?
Are you kidding me?
Where is it?
There's no way.
Wait, this.
Are you serious?
Wait, there's no way. Like, what? So.
There's
Is
no
it an
way.
instant? But does an instant wipe UIMs?
So this is where my confusion came from. Being a few hours into release, I was under the impression as shown in the blog post, if you die on an island, death will be treated the same way it currently does on land. So I sailed back expecting my items to be on the ground. As it was an instance, this wasn't the case. After a 10-minute long panic thinking I'd lost everything, I got a reply from Modlite. The reply said that if you die at sea, your items appear at the last place you docked, same as a gravestone would. So in a last effort, I went back to the Tortugan dock.
Wouldn't you have seen it though? We walked past this, right?
I didn't go past the dock. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's there! Holy shit! Oh. Holy shit! Holy fuck, bro! I was about to cry for you, let alone you. Holy shit!
After that nerve-wracking 10-15 minutes, I obviously forgot to record the end of the quest, so here's the screenshot.
Do that shit.
Dig here.
And then what? The Chinchompa Island?
That gives you a key to Chinchompa Island.
Data collection log. Give it.
Next was the task to get hemp seeds to upgrade my sails down the line. Later we'll also have to do the same with cotton seeds. $50! Oh! 5 cotton seeds. That's huge. Yeah. 55 sailing. We ended off the first day sailing at rank 8 overall Ultimate Iron Man, which is probably the highest I'll ever get. Here we get the Sailor's Amulet, which will probably take up a permanent slot until I've fully upgraded my boat. Come on, is this it? Is this it? Is it right? Yeah!
Let's go, baby.
That's really not that bad.
Oh, that's the upgrade one, right?
It's the trim sail thing, yeah. $60 sailing, woo! I can open it. The key from the trial. I got an outfit.
No collection log, no interest.
Cool, drop that. Oh, 65. 66. 67. 68 sailing. Hey, 70 sailing. 2 more till the final trial, which will increase our XP rates a lot. 71 sailing. We finally completed the Marlin trial, which took way too many attempts for how easily it actually is. And that's 72 sailing, which unlocks us the Gwyneth Glide, the final current Barracuda trial. Time to upgrade our boat.
Oh,
Hey, easy first trial. Time to try the second one. $73 sailing, which unlocks the new AFK and the crystal extractor once I've finished this trial. Yes. There we go. Huge. Here we build the crystal extractor, which at the moment is extremely broken for XP. So I didn't realise at the time what else this unlocked me, but I think it is one of the best things in the game. Another big one coming in, that is 75 sailing. And 76. $78 sailing.
Does it come up when you get a level?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yes.
Give it.
And that's level 80. I think we're on day 4, 5. Going well. This is me getting the Eternal Brazier schematic to finish the ocean charting. Sadly, a lot of the clips past this point are just going to be me getting levels at the Barracuda trials. That is level 82. And with this last task, That is charting complete, I think. You have fully charted the entire sea. You'll be provided with some final training when you speak to the guy in the Pandemonium. Let's head on over. $200k XP drop. And that now means we can get the final drink to put in the barrel on our boat. And the final level of the episode is 85. I've had a few real life events this week and I'm very happy with the progress I've made still. Hopefully next week we'll be killing frost dragons, getting some final upgrades for the boat and pushing hard for that max cape. If you're still around this far into the video, thank you for watching and I'd love if you could leave a like. See you next time.